You are working in Excel, feeling amazing, and then boom, a scary looking code like #div0 or #ref appears in your cell. Before you throw your laptop out the window, relax. These error messages are just Excel trying to tell you something went wrong. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to decode every one of them for you. Let's go for it. First up, the ## symbol. That row of hash signs like this. This one is actually not an error with your phone. Column by dragging its edge or double click that edge to widen the column. Problem solved in 2 seconds. The name error. This means Excel doesn't recognize the function you typed. Usually it's a spelling mistake. For example, writing sum with double M instead of one M. Check your spelling and you are good to go. The ref error. This means your formula is referring to a cell that no longer exists. It usually happens when you delete a row or a column that a formula was pointing to. For example, if I take this number and I add that cell there, when I enter, I get a number. If I delete that column, then it generates that #ref error. So this is referring to a cell that no longer exists. #NA error. This means a formula is not finding its value. For example, a VLOOKUP formula that's looking for that value in this column, it doesn't find it, therefore it returns not applicable. The div0 error. This one pops up when your formula is trying to divide something by 0. In maths, dividing by 0 is not allowed. Same rule applies in Excel. Check your self-reference and make sure you are not accidentally dividing by 0 or dividing by an empty or 0 cell. The value error. This one means the wrong type of data is being used in a formula. For example, you are trying to add a number and text. Check your data types and cell references. Finally, the #num error. This means there's an invalid number in your formula. For example, using a negative number where a positive one is required. Correct the values in the cells involved. For example, the square root of a negative number. If I remove the negative, now I'm getting the correct answer. Quick recap. ## means what in your column. #name is a spelling error. Div0 means dividing by 0. #ref means cell was deleted. NA means a value isn't available. #value is a wrong data type. And #num is an invalid number. Screenshot this if you need to. Now you'll never be intimidated by error messages again. You know exactly what they mean and how to fix them. Seriously, well done for watching. Go crush those practicals. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.